Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique, and in this video we'll show you how to configure the pixel matrix light on the Redmi Turbo 5. So Redmi pixel matrix is an LED light behind the device. We have two camera modules here, the 50 megapixel primary and the 8 megapixel ultra wide. We have an LED matrix light around both the camera units. So this can be used for notifications. When you're taking a camera timer shot, you get the notification. It can also be rhythmic light for when you're playing music. So there are different use cases. So how to configure? Just go here to the settings and just go to the additional settings. So there you go, additional settings. You can see backlighting effects. So you can turn on the backlighting effects here, and if you don't want the backlighting effect to happen all the time, you can turn it on when the screen is facing down like this. If it is kept, you will have that. Then incoming call reminders, you can configure for which all call you want this. And for games, we have two games installed. For games, you get this game lighting effects. Then rhythmic light effects, for these apps you can enable rhythmic light effect. That means when you're playing a music, it changes based on that. Then notifications also you can have which all apps you want. There are plenty of apps available. And then camera status indicator. This is when you're taking a timer or a burst shot, you can use this as an indicator. Then you have the option to customize the color. So plenty of options around here, so you can customize the color, and we have the ability to increase or decrease the brightness. So let's just show you how this works. So we'll just increase or decrease the brightness, so you can right now see the light here. That's how the matrix lights works. You can see here around the camera. Now I'll just play some music here. It will play according to that. So when I'm playing music, you can see here it changes. It has this rhythmic light according to the music which is being played in the background. So that's how the rhythmic light works. And if you want, you can have this for the calls as well. We'll just also show you. We'll set a timer shot. So we'll just have a timer shot, say 5 seconds timer, and a plus here. So you can see here. So now you can use this as a timer. So that's another useful feature, and we can have for other calls and other notifications as well. So this is how we can configure. Just go to settings and select additional settings. We have backlight effects, turn it on and customize based on what color you want. For incoming and app notifications, you can choose the color. For rhythmic light, based on the music, it will select it own based on the music playing. We'll just play it once again and we'll just show you. So that's how the Redmi Pixel Matrix works. We have the device. Do try out this feature on the Redmi Turbo 5. So that's it for this video. This is signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.